from the beautiful coast of Cinque Terre, Italy. This video starts right now. Let's go. And good morning again from the coast. There's some sea spray on the lens, pardon me. A little bit foggy, but it's because of these incredible waves. We've got some storm waves happening. There was a crazy storm last night that brought down a ton of rain and really kind of ripped up the Mediterranean. And I think we're seeing the aftermath of that right now. But luckily the weather is clearing up for us. So after the first few videos in this series in the Dolomites, we're really struggling with bad weather, which does often create good photos. We're down here now and it looks like it's gonna clear up for us for the next couple of days. And this first sunrise is a very good opportunity to showcase that because we're getting just beautiful pink clouds off in the distance and this subject of this rock in the foreground and a castle behind it is creating a really good opportunity for some really dramatic wave photography. Very similar to Cape Disappointment, if you remember that location from the United States from way back on the F4 road trip. So I'm currently at a high shutter speed, but when it was a bit darker earlier this morning, I was shooting at about 1/5 of a second and getting just some amazing action and drama. Whoa, that was a good one. Wow, wow, wow. Definitely getting some color in the sky too. So as like always, it's time to shoot and see if we can get some nice results. The sun has arrived and it's what we were waiting for. Absolutely incredible backlit light on the waves smashing against the rock, against the coast. There's an old, I think it's a tower or some sort of castle, old stone structure. And those are some of the best coastal photos I've gotten all year. Just fantastic coastal photography and it shows the power of the ocean. So really, really good start to Cinque Terre. And with this weather, looks like we're gonna get a nice sunrise, sunset as well. So I will see you there. We're gonna go explore a different village for sunset. That's coming up next. And we have made it to our second location here in this first video of Cinque Terre, to Vernazza. This is one of the 5 villages that are connected by a train as well as a trail, and they're all really, really tiny and very classic views. You've probably seen something like this before. Beautiful, beautiful view here. And this is where we're gonna camp out for sunset. So we're about 3 hours early, which is more than enough time to scout the entire area. There's like 2 kind of main shots here. This is one of the sunset locations, and it's already pretty busy with still like 2.5 hours to spare. So there's another one on the other side, but we're gonna stick it out here for a little while because these waves are just phenomenal. There's a ton of action happening right now. Really windy, stormy day, and a lot of really cool wave formations happening below me. Look at this. Hopefully the mic dead cat is doing a good job, because this view, I mean, you can see it in the background there, absolutely priceless. It is a fantastic photograph, really well balanced, beautiful Cinque Terre village in the foreground. We're getting this golden light coming across the Mediterranean Sea, and this is the shot. So this is what travel photography is all about. This is one thing that Brendan and I are trying to chase for sure. These amazing locations, chasing light, especially trying to get the best light, the best conditions when we can, and these amazing locations to sell the experience of travel to the world. And as you guys know, I studied travel and tourism, so this is a big part of what it's about for me, and being able to share these moments with you on YouTube and with the people who are here with us is something pretty special. So only get a few opportunities to do this every year, and in Italy on the coast of Cinque Terre, this is what it's all about. The sun has gone down, and that was amazing. We were up there for about 2 hours, and a big crowd kind of started to show up at the end, but we had staked our claim as the only ones that really, other than those other two guys, that came up to take photos with tripods. So very lucky, in my opinion, given that a couple of the locals were telling us that these were the best waves that they've seen in years. So very cool. Group is on cloud 9. We just got fantastic photos. I was playing around with really fast shutter speeds like this morning to try and freeze the waves. That's my personal preference in situations like this. But after taking 200 photos of the same thing and just trying to get the biggest wave possible, I decided to switch to a bit more of a long exposure, the traditional half second when it comes to waterfalls or rivers or big waves, to show that drama and that energy in the ocean, or in this case, the Mediterranean Sea. But still, you know what I mean? You guys are photographers, and the results, I believe, are very nice. So yeah, that's a successful first day here in Cinque Terre. And next up for us is another one of the 5 villages. So it looks like the weather's gonna be really good tomorrow. So be sure to come back next week, or when I upload the next video. I think it'll probably be next week, for the day number 2 of exploring this amazing part of Italy. So I'll see you in that video.